Hey guys, it's me, Felicity, back with another video.
I know.
And she said there's candy in it, so I'm assuming there's, ooh, I'm gonna be hyper. What else is in there? A lot of candy. That's the, it's Easter candy. It's a bunny's poop.
Bunny's
Yes.
poop.
Yes, bunny's poop. Ooh, M&M's. I love M&M's.
Hold on. Your voice is on the recording. Okay.
Nice.
I can't help it.
Can't open it right now.
You can talk. I'm just letting you know. Wait, what is that?
It's slime,
Slime.
but in
She
a
loves
cupcake.
slime.
Yes, I do love slime. I'm out of size. Whoa. I've seen these, but not that size. Huge.
They're really good.
They're really bad.
She didn't say that. Ooh, it's a poppet.
Yeah.
I have different colors.
I also have poppers right here.
Is this what I think it is? It's a mini pizza.
Yeah, I saw that at the gas station. I thought you might like it.
I do love mini pizzas. And I like those little burgers that you can get.
Oh yeah, we couldn't find those.
Candy.
There's little toys in there.
Yeah, I
Are
had
them
these before.
melt?
Like
Are they
once.
something that's gonna melt that needs to go in the refrigerator?
Yeah, I think that's gonna melt pretty fast.
Yeah.
Dinky
Is there any more in there?
Yep.
I mean, at least go in the
Oh my goodness.
I just saw that in Walmart and I knew that.
Lift that up and let me see.
It's cotton candy and it's pink. No, green.
favorite color.
Okay, what next?
Just start grabbing and read what we wrote on them.
To City from my brother. Thanks, Connor. Can you open this? please?
Nope. It's your birthday.
Yeah, but my nails are hurting from the last time I hurt them. It's monkey noodles. That's what I think they are. I think. Yeah, monkey noodles. But they're textured. I seen these in one of Nicole Jacqueline's videos. Ooh, this is cute. De-stress. That's my second fidget yet. This is very huge and it's very soft. What is this?
Did you even see who it's from?
Wait. I don't know.
I saw those in the store.
Well, it's from,
Mommy.
yeah.
I saw those in the store, but I couldn't get them because they were $20.
That was $5 at Five Below.
What?
Yeah. $5 at Five Below.
It's two gifts at once. And it's from Grammy. Grammy. Oh my god, Raven. Grammy.
My dog just
You're
made
missing
a
it. I'm
Lego
opening your gift.
I can't help it.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Oh, Raven.
Okay.
It's like a trailer with a canopy on top.
It is, and air conditioned at that.
Is it air conditioned?
It's air conditioned.
Very nice.
We have air conditioner. I probably shouldn't have it open.
Is this a snapper?
Oh, that's a snapper. I never had a snapper.
Oh, really? Oh, that's good.
You can try it.
Ignition, I guess.
Right.
It can't.
Yeah, yeah.
They have to quiet something. Yeah.
Very
I
cool.
never had like tried a
I
snapper.
don't know what it is. Is it
Look
supposed
at
Yeah,
It's a fidget cube.
Nice, right?
I used to have one.
It's nice.
It broke. I think my
It's a
dog
fidget cube.
chewed on it.
It's a green and black fidget cube. If you want.
Can I put some on it?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna do some screen.
It's a poppet.
Did you read who it's from?
I put that on.
Blue packet. Excuse me. Blue packaging.
I thought my mama worked there.
I think
You
it's a
opened all my
poppet.
stuff?
Yes. It was a fidget cube and a
I
snapper.
know. This right here.
It's a poppet. I know it because I see the packaging. And
Did you read who it's from?
yes.
Who is it from?
Colin, because it said Bro.
Okay.
That's a weird shape.
Oh, it's the hard shell ones. You ever had the hard shell ones?
Nope. I've seen them, but not like the actual brand.
And what grade are you going into?
It's the fourth.
Fourth grade too.
This
The
is
best-
from you.
The rest of your presents for me is coming later because your birthday's really tomorrow.
It's in a bag. Why is it in a bag? A bag inside of a bag.
Isn't it?
Oh, I think it's from Walmart. Oh no, it's not.
We'll figure it out when we get back
It
inside.
looks like a bunch of
Yeah, I
tiny
know.
squishmallows.
It's too hot.
I saw a squishmallow. That's from Walmart.
That's good for this.
No, Five Below.
Oh, Five
Yeah,
Below.
Five Below.
I get mixed up with Walmart and Five Below
Yeah, I do
because they have the
too.
same color.
It's
They have two now, but this time it's different ones.
I think it's what SpongeBob lives in.
Pineapple.
I like
In
these.
the what?
These two are cute.
What in the what is this? It's Micro Mallows original by Squishmallows. I
Okay.
think it's mini Squishmallows.
You can open up it inside. Just
It's just kind of hot.
it's too
out
hot.
there.
The last one.
Re-
That I call Baroba.
Does the watches overheat?
It's in a bag again. Is this what I think it is?
It's markers.
It looks like, it feels like straws. They're pop tubes, brand new
Oh my
pop
god,
tubes.
I've never tried a pop tube.
Oh
That's
no.
so cool.
Pose
Thanks,
with one.
thanks, Colin.
City, pose with one. City,
What?
pose with one.
Why can't I just not do?
Pretty nice.
Go ahead. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Felicity. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Okay, go ahead.
You look like a monkey and smell like one too.
Are you one? Are you two? Are you?
Open it and see.
Right there, big blue.
Just come on.
It'd be big blue. What is?
I don't know. Open it.
It's seriously a box in there. It's a box inside of a box.
Well, open it.
Need help?
I need scissors. I need gizzers.
I don't think you do.
Yes, I do. I can't open it. I'm just inside of it. I need scissors. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Maybe I should record this thing. Owie. I see a saddle. Why is there a saddle? Do you give me a horsey? Help. Where's its head?
Oh.
That's terrifying. I don't know how to get. Oh, feels weird. Please help.
Dump it upside down, maybe.
No. Please help. Does that open that? I don't know.
Happy birthday.
Do you? You live in a house.
Pose for me.
You look like a monkey and smell like one too.
Okay, now get on it and pose.
Can I back it up a little?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on. Is it horsey?
So I think that's all. So yeah, bye.